Welcome back to MotorBuzz, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels, dirt, street, and everything in between. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z, the latest iteration of Suzuki's renowned motocross machine. Whether you're a seasoned rider, a weekend warrior, or just curious about the updates for 2025, this review will break down everything you need to know: performance, features, technology, and how it stacks up against the competition. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss the latest from the world of motocross. Overview of the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z stays true to its legacy, rugged, responsive, and race-ready, while receiving a few subtle but crucial updates that riders have been waiting for. While Suzuki hasn't completely overhauled the RM-Z line, the 2025 model refines what already worked well and adds just enough polish to keep it relevant in an increasingly competitive 450 cubic centimeters class. It's still powered by the tried and true 449cc, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke DOHC engine, but this year's model benefits from enhanced ECU tuning, giving it a more refined throttle response and smoother power delivery throughout the rev range. Updated suspension and handling. Handling has always been one of the RM-Z's strongest suits, and Suzuki has continued to focus on this in 2025. The bike features revised suspension settings for both the Showa coil spring fork and balance-free rear cushion, BFRC, shock, improving small bump compliance and mid-corner stability. While it may not have air forks like some of its rivals, the conventional spring setup continues to offer reliable performance and easier tunability for a wide range of riders. Whether you're blitzing through whoops or carving tight berms, the RM-Z 2025 maintains its reputation as one of the most nimble bikes in its class. Electronics and technology updates. One of the biggest criticisms of the RM-Z in recent years has been its lack of cutting-edge electronics. While it still doesn't feature full-blown ride modes or traction control systems like some competitors, the 2025 RM-Z450 introduces a refined whole-shot assist control (SHAC) system. This updated launch control has 3 selectable modes, allowing riders to better tailor starts depending on track conditions. Additionally, the revised ECU mapping and improved fuel injection system contribute to smoother low-end power, making the bike more manageable in technical sections. However, Suzuki has yet to introduce electric start to the RM-Z lineup, a notable omission in 2025. Chassis and ergonomics. The RM-Z retains its aluminum twin-spar frame, which provides a balanced mix of rigidity and flex for excellent cornering performance. For 2025, Suzuki made minor tweaks to the subframe and foot peg positioning to enhance rider ergonomics, particularly for taller riders. The slim bodywork and grippy seat cover make it easy to move around.